The Livestock Skill-A-Thon is where knowledge meets hands-on skills. At the Western National Roundup, Livestock Skill-A-Thon, 4-H members from across the country put their understanding of the livestock industry to the test in a fast-paced, interactive competition. Each state may bring one 4-H team made up of up to 4 members. Contestants rotate through a series of stations designed to challenge both individual knowledge and team problem-solving skills. The contest is split into 2 main parts: individual stations and team stations. In the individual portion, contestants work through stations on their own. These may include identifying livestock breeds, feeds, equipment, retail meat cuts, or evaluating wool and hay. Participants may also complete quality assurance exercises or a short quiz covering the livestock industry. These stations test a contestant's ability to recognize, evaluate, and apply information they've learned through their livestock projects. Next comes the team portion of the contest. Teams work together to complete hands-on challenges that reflect real-world livestock management. Team stations may include developing feed rations, evaluating breeding or marketing decisions, demonstrating animal health and quality assurance practices, or solving management and performance scenarios. Communication, teamwork, and critical thinking are key as teams combine their knowledge to complete each task. Scores from individual and team stations are combined to determine top individuals and teams across multiple categories, as well as overall contest winners. The Livestock Skill-A-Thon goes beyond memorization. It prepares 4-H members to become beyond ready to make informed decisions, practice ethical livestock management, and succeed in the livestock industry.